Hi everyone, and welcome to this review of the structural components of a product. In this lesson, we're going to briefly review the structural components that make up how your products work and function. To start with a product, look to your WordPress menu and go down the left-hand side until you get to Products. Click on Products. When setting up a product, you want to put in a title, a description, and always select a fee type. A fee type is an accounting category that allows you to quickly and easily pull up charges on your transaction report. Scrolling down to the drop-downs, you will notice that we have multiple items in our structural layout. Products within MemberSplash have two key structural components: the pricing modules and the rules modules. Please review your solutions document for a visual depiction on the two structural components. The document clearly labels both types. Let's take a look at the key pricing modules that you will have to work with. The first is the flat rate pricing module. Just as the name describes, it allows you to place a flat rate charge on your members. The flat rate charge is versatile and can be used for membership fees, discount fees, penalties, and so forth. The key feature with the flat rate pricing is it allows you to add price variations based on account type, tag, and date ranges. So you would use a flat rate pricing item in order to set, say, an early bird discount, giving members a discount for paying early. Price variations are only available on the flat rate product. Scrolling down, the next pricing module we have is the per member pricing module. This is the second most versatile pricing module that we have. The per member pricing module charges members fees at the member level, not the account level. So this particular pricing module is especially versatile if you have per member pricing for your membership fees. It will allow you to very specifically target which person, the first person in the list, second, and so forth, gets what charge. In this case, the first person pays $500 and each subsequent person only pays $100. You could also modify that by saying the second person pays $300 and all subsequent people after number 3 pay only $50. Read the pricing instructions for more details. The next pricing module is age and member-based pricing. This particular pricing module is a little tricky because in reality, it combines two different types of pricing: age and the member type. Should you wish to add in age range pricing, you would simply add the ages in and give different prices for each one. With age-based pricing, you must require members to put in a birth date. Member type pricing is quite different. Member type pricing does not use the ages. It uses the member type, which you have defined its setup. For example, if you were to use member type pricing, you would select the adults and give them a rate. The member types are defined during your setup. You can add additional member types should you need to. Please check our solutions guides under membership and accounts to see more details on member-based setups. The next item is what we call user-defined pricing. However, user-defined pricing is simply an opportunity or a way to allow your members to make a donation. In most cases, you don't want your member deciding how much they want to pay for their membership fees, and as such, the user-defined pricing is quite limited. The next item is account balances and credits. Account balances and credits are generally set up during your onboarding process, and this particular type of product allows you to put a specific charge on the member's invoice. Please read the details in the solutions article closely regarding this, or contact your support specialist for further information. The next pricing module is the house guest option. House guests are also called nannies, additional members, add-ons, au pairs, things of that nature. This particular pricing product allows your members to put an additional person on their account for a flat rate fee. The special thing about this pricing module is that if, when used properly, this pricing module will automatically take the added member off the account at the end of the year. This allows your nanny to be paid for each year should she continue on. And the last item we have is your guest pass options. We've saved this one for last simply because it's a special product that actually requires 3 things to be filled out to work properly: the flat rate price, the number of guest passes to be put on the member's account, and the number of guest passes they're allowed to purchase. Some clubs want to limit purchases of guest pass to 20 and under. That's a review of our pricing modules. The next structural component contains the rules and settings that you need in order to apply your products to the correct account types. The show, hide, and require rules allow you to drill in to determine who gets to see the product. So, for example, in the case of this membership product, you would select the rule that says, please show this product to anyone with an account type of family, and that is still in unpaid status. Become familiar with the selected rule types. You can select to limit things by account type, account tag, payment status, prior year payment status, and selected product. The next item we're going to look at is post-payment actions. Post-payment actions perform an action once the product is paid. For example, if this were a donation product and you wanted to simply tag everybody that gave a donation, you would put in a post-payment action that adds a tag to the member's account showing that they've donated to the kiddie pool. The most common post-payment action is when you transfer your members from the offered membership status to their final account type. For example, when members in offered membership status pay for a family membership fee, the account is automatically moved into the account type of family. This saves your pool admin quite a lot of work in moving accounts manually. Thanks and have a great day.